Good enough. All right, everybody. Well, today, I hope you can hear us. Today, I don't have my microphones hooked up, and I've got my niece here. That's one of the reasons we haven't had videos lately. Besides the fact that I am going crazy with work, and probably going to have to cut back to one a week anyway. But that's beside the point today. We are going to build. Yes, a bird. Yes, by the way, this is Bree. She will be appearing on camera just as I am in the hand. Her hand, my hand. This is what we're building today.
I'm a glow stick, so you'll know me.
She's very emo. She's 13. She thinks she knows everything.
12.
She's 13 this June. She thinks she knows everything, and she's finding out that sometimes us adults know more than she thinks we know. But this is what we're building today. Little birds, little birdies. And she's building one to take home. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to build the first one. She's going to watch and see how it comes together. And the second one, she's going to be running the torch. She's never welded. Am I correct in saying you've never welded before?
Yes, I have never welded. I've watched my dad like once, and then that's it.
This is very reminiscent of when I learned to weld because my dad basically just let me go. All right. Well, like I said,
my mother would allow that, so.
I'm not sure my mom allowed it. All right. So, first off, we've got spoons. I've already prepped all the materials because I've been making a ton of these. We've got another art show as soon as not this weekend, but the following weekend. We're gonna drop her off this weekend. Her Easter break is gonna be done. We're gonna see a couple museums. We visited the Biltmore last week. So she's had a very cultural spring break, which she's responded well to, I think. All right, helmets down.
Okay.
Pay attention to when I actually start.
Your hands or your face?
I want you to pay attention to how this wire feeds in and kind of how my hands are pulling the trigger, okay?
I'm kind of scared, but it's fine.
All right. You let me know if that doesn't darken, okay?
Okay. It does darken.
I figured. Okay. So you saw the 3 quick tacks right there. That's how we do that. Now the next thing.
Does it melt the wire, the metal or something?
So the electrode comes in, and when it comes in, it does a couple things. This is a filler material, but more than that, it actually melts the metal.
Okay.
You can see. Do you see the heat line right there?
Uh-huh.
And it's blue there, and then it starts going to copper color.
Yeah.
It's actually making a molten pool, and I'm moving the pool as I do it. Yours will not be this pretty, but that's normal.
Probably not.
That's normal. All right. So for the head, what I do, I take one of these washers that my loving wife has figured out is the perfect size for this. Your Aunt Chris, very opinionated. We're going to set that down. We try to get it as straight as possible. These are handmade, so I don't have a jig for it. It's not machined. It's not going to be perfect.
Okay, so
all right, helmet's down. And you're going to do 1 tack here.
Okay. It turned green.
It turns green?
Yeah.
But it's not hurting your eyes?
Nope.
Okay. And then you're going to do another tack in the front. Then you're going to lean over and mimic those tacks on the other side. And there's just 4 little bubbles there. Okay? And this is our beaks.
Which daddies? Oh.
This is the same rod that we're going to use for stakes underneath.
So
it's just been cut into 1-inch pieces.
Okay.
Because I'm actually set up to make 25 of these. You'll be taking one with you.
Okay.
So that takes down to 24, but I can make another one.
Okay.
So we're going to kind of position it on the bird just like so. I'm going to be positioning it, so don't worry about the placement.
So it's like
Yep.
That's probably not gonna look.
I'm
the
gonna hold
best.
everything together. All you're gonna do is you're gonna be torching it, okay?
Okay.
All right. Yeah, one day you'll get good enough to do this.
Yeah, hopefully.
Say that as I put that beak on sideways. Is it Isaac or is it Chris?
It is Isaac.
We are videoing. You're on YouTube.
You are, yes, loser.
Yeah. Nope, you come back here, Isaac.
Isaac!
That's my nephew. You wouldn't know it, but he's actually my apprentice. But
You are here to be tortured.
all right. And this is the last little thing we do is we put on the stake on the bottom, okay?
Okay, so you've made it simple for me.
Helmets down, eyes closed. Isaac.
Loser, you got called out.
And we're going to put 4 tips that go from the spoon up to the rod.
So how long are you supposed to put it down?
The helmet?
No, I'm talking about the
It's until your pull completes between...
How do you know whenever it darkens, though?
You should still see it.
You should?
Yeah.
Mine darkens completely.
What setting have you got that one on?
Like, it darkens completely. Like, I can't see that part.
All right. And there's our bird. This one's going to take a little grinding to
I haven't
finish.
even been able to see your hands.
Okay. Well, you're about to find out. You're about to find out. So stand up. And we're going to give you a good spoon here.
Good spoon.
Good spoon.
Good spoon.
Isaac's just making sure all the settings on her helmet's right. Because I would hate to send her back with flash burn. Her mother may never send her back down here.
Probably.
Yeah. Okay.
Hurts your eyes. Stop.
Put down the helmet. Grab the welding torch. Don't push the button. Now. Nope. Nope. Come on. You got to come over here.
I'm coming.
Okay. Okay. Not all the way down.
Okay.
I'm showing you where you want some space. You want about a 1/4 inch. Okay.
Okay, right here.
Yep. Now, let me put down the helmet. Now, push the button. Okay. Now, you did it wonderful, but
Wrong place.
you did it a 1/4 inch back. If you can mimic what you just did, a 1/4 inch closer to the other spoon,
Right here.
we are gold, okay?
Right there.
All right. Now, you lean over, get comfortable, and here.
Right over here.
Do you see anything?
Yes.
Okay. Put the torch where it needs to be,
Right here.
and then do it.
It looks like it's right. Right here.
Okay, then do it. Now drag it over to the spoon. You haven't connected.
Not. I did not do that.
Yep, do it again.
I think I got it stuck.
Yep, push the button. Okay.
Did I connect it?
Yes.
Finally?
I think I would like another weld there.
Again?
Yeah.
Okay. Right here?
Yep. Move in closer.
Moving closer.
Move her in closer. There. Now, move in closer and connect the two. A little more. You need more time on it. Push the button. Okay.
I felt like that was going to be too much.
Well, it is, but it's not at the same time. It's where we had to go with that, okay?
Yeah, I did it awesomely, totally.
Yeah.
That
Alright.
was so great.
How was your first experience welding?
I was kind of scared.
Did you get electrocuted?
No,
Tell the YouTube people that I didn't hurt you.
you did it.
Okay. All right.
Oh, okay, real quick.
Now I want to bead.
There we go.
I want to bead on the back of the head.
Right here?
Yep. Nope, it's not stuck.
That's stuck. That looks like
Come on.
You said 1/4 inch back.
There we go.
You said 1/4 inch back. That isn't a 1/4 inch, is that?
It is.
It is?
That's what I want you doing. That's why I was dragging it, okay? Go ahead and give me 3 more tacks.
I did not know that was a 1/4 inch.
Yep. Okay. Push the button. Okay. You hear that egg popping noise?
Yeah.
Like an egg frying?
Mhm.
That's what you're looking for.
Okay.
Okay, now lean over so you can see and do the other side. There you go. I can hear it's better there.
I think that looks good, right?
Do the 4th one and I'll check it.
Okay.
Okay.
That's sounding.
Yeah, I think you made a connection. It's not the prettiest welds, but that comes in time.
Haha. I
All right.
did it. I did it.
You did it.
Once in my life, I've done something good.
You've done things good before. Can't think of them, but you have. All right, helmet down.
Helmet down. This side and then that side?
Yep, exactly.
Okay. Where is it?
Too much wire.
Too much?
Okay. Hit it again.
Huh?
Okay, stop. Now do the other side. Ooh, I just hit the camera.
Did I do it right?
Yeah, it looks like it's stuck. Like I
Huh?
said, we're not really going for beauty here.
It does not look beautiful at all, so.
That's fine. We've got ways of fixing that. Okay. Oh my goodness. There's a few hairs on this bird.
This bird has been tortured.
It's a dino.
We can make dinos!
That might be a little advanced for you at this moment.
That's sad.
We're
I
getting
love
through the bird.
dinos.
We're getting through the bird at this point. Maybe over summer I'll have you train some more.
Dinos.
We bought some. It's out in the welding area. Wow, what you looking for soapstone for?
Might make it easier for her to see what she needs to help.
Oh, she's getting it. She's only got one more piece.
Oh.
Yeah. The steak, and then I'll grind it, and then we're painting it.
I get to
But
paint
good
stuff.
call. I didn't think about marking. I just, kind of.
Size wise, so she knows what
Okay. Well, her issue is she's holding the thing this far off, and she needs to be that far off.
I
Like-
did not know that.
3/8 to a quarter.
I thought this was a 1/4 inch.
Yeah, no, you're wrong. Okay. Give me 4 tacks around that. You haven't made a connection yet. Nope, move it in closer.
Is that good?
I don't think you've made it stick. You're not getting it on the spoon.
I'm not?
No.
Okay.
Start here. You hear that consistency right there?
Yeah.
That's what you're looking for.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So is that okay?
Let's give me one more out here. Go ahead and hit the button. See, I'm right there in there. Okay,
Yeah.
stop. You see the difference?
Yeah.
Okay.
I thought I had to go back and forth a lot.
All right, guys. Well, y'all got to witness my niece's first time welding. It's not beautiful, but it's definitely hers.
Yeah.
What do you think, Bree? Is welding for you?
I I don't know at this point.
Well, I'm gonna do one quick tack in the front just to hold it all together.
Okay.
Well, I think she did good, to be honest with you. I started arc welding, and arc welding's a lot worse for me. Isaac likes it. But, yep, now we're going to go color the bird, but we'll catch you guys later.